My mind has always gone about 1,000 miles an hour. I always have about 100 thoughts in my mind at once. I can't really shut it off. I've just dealt with it, and I've done pretty well with it. Occasionally, that running so fast all the time, I get a little burnt out, and I need to get out and get some fresh air. So I have the opportunity, I have a per diem job I get out of work about an hour before I have to get home. So occasionally I'll just get into the woods. There's a few trails locally, not very long, mile, 2 miles, and I'll get on trail and I'll do this. I'll see the sunrise, a little bit of peace and quiet, a chance to take a breath, and it just calms my head. And all those thoughts, I can really think about it as I'm walking through the trail. And it's always been good to me. Hiking is so therapeutic for me.